Welcome everyone to the launch of the extraordinary new motorcycle, the Triumph Trident 660 BK 2026. Get ready because rumors are spreading fast. The word on the street is that Triumph plans to launch something truly surprising at EICMA 2025. We're not just talking about a new color. We're talking about a motorcycle that retro enthusiasts have been eagerly awaiting. A machine directly inspired by their golden age of racing. But to understand what's coming, we have to look back. See, the name Trident isn't just a sticker Triumph slapped on. In the 1970s, the original Triumph Trident was a high-performance beast. It was a three-cylinder machine that dominated race circuits around the world. And the pinnacle, the absolute pinnacle, was the 500-kilometer race at Monza in 1971. The Bepi Koelliker team, the official Triumph importer in Italy, launched this insane Trident 750. Ridden by Bepi and Koelliker, and prepared by technical expert Domenico Pedinari, this motorcycle didn't just compete, it dominated. It was pure elegance and raw performance. The bike became an icon. So, what happens if you take that same racing DNA and inject it directly into the 21st century? Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we believe is coming. Introducing the Triumph Trident 660 BK 2026. BK, of course, stands for Bepi Koelliker. This isn't just a tribute, it's a full-on revival. First, check out the ergonomics. They ditched the standard, upright handlebars. This bike uses aggressive, low clip-on handlebars. It's a pure cafe racer designed for the perfect racing position. Next, the wheels. They replaced the modern alloy wheels with beautiful, era-appropriate classic spoked wheels. This completely changes the bike's posture, making it look rough, mechanical, and just right. But my favorite part is this amazing white custom exhaust. It looks like it was taken straight from a 1970s paddock. You know, this bike will sound incredible. And then, the livery. This is the final touch. The signature blue and purple colors of the Koelliker team. And there, proudly displayed, the iconic number 11. This is how you make a modern classic motorcycle. It has a strong nostalgic touch, a sense of history, but it's all built on the proven, agile, and incredibly fun Trident 660 platform. Unfortunately, this is just a concept motorcycle by Oberdan Betsy. The question is this just a what-if concept, or is Triumph really bold enough to build it? Let's wait for further developments in another video. Thank you for watching.